The next task we are going to do is we're going to learn how to move some different items into categories that you have. Just a note, I haven't adjusted my weights on my categories yet, but this is a nice way to move things quickly between categories. And it's called this bulk edit tool. So I'm just basically going to select everything in my grade book here. And so we can see how this works. I'm going to click on bulk edit. And then you are going to see the names of all the things in your course because I selected everything. You're going to see whether they have a short name. Notice I have a couple things that do have short names that came over. You can remove those if you needed to. It'll show the max points, the weight, whether they're bonus or they can exceed or not. And then I have a scheme. Notice I selected percentage for mine, so that's all default. And then the last column is category. And you're going to notice I have a couple of assignments up here that don't belong in any categories. And so maybe, for example, maybe I want to put this final exam into my final exam category. You could do that very easily. Now, when this works properly, when you have all the weights set, this will show the actual weights of your course categories. So right now, you're kind of seeing it shows the 0.01 because I haven't adjusted it yet. So as I scroll down, you can make sure that things are in the right spot. I have a couple of extra things in here, and so I'm going to leave those for none for now because eventually I'm going to try to get rid of these. Maybe this one is going to go into this category for now. So when I do that and I save, and it's going to yell at you. This is a good thing to know if you have special characters. So I have this column that I had called attendance participation. It's going to highlight any mistakes for you, and it does not like those special characters in the titles. So now when I do that, it allows me to save that. So that is a really handy tool, that bulk edit. And again, that was the checkbox here, clicking bulk edit and making sure that takes you over to this whole page. So there may be more things you need to adjust eventually, and that might be points or it might be a quick title to make sure everything's matching. So this screen is very useful. So